Alright, so today I stuck a whole package of beef bacon in the oven at 350 degrees. And then I took out 2 chuck eyes. Both of those together was 1 pound. And then I just seasoned it with Redmond's real salt only. And I put it in the air fryer 5 minutes on each side. And then I put it a little bit closer to get a little bit of sear. The small one, it got done a little bit too much for my taste. And so the beef bacon, because I was so hungry, it was taking forever. Sometimes I get close to burning it and then I'm starving to death and it takes forever. So anyway, so I had the 1 pound of chuck eye and 2 slices of the beef bacon. And so then I poured the grease and saved that. And so anyway, remember, meat heals, sugar kills, and fat is where it's at.